Welcome back to Bike Review Hub. Today, we are stepping away from bikes for a moment to bring you something unique, the all-new 2025 Suzuki Maruti Omni van. This legendary van is making a comeback with a modern twist, and we've got all the details you need. So, let's dive right in. Exterior design and features. The new 2025 Maruti Omni maintains its classic boxy shape but with a more refined and aerodynamic touch. The redesigned front fascia includes a sleeker grille, LED headlamps, and a larger windshield for better visibility. The van now sits on newly designed alloy wheels, giving it a fresh yet nostalgic appeal. The sliding doors remain a signature feature, ensuring easy access for passengers. Interior and comfort. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the major upgrades. The Omni 2025 now comes with a digital instrument cluster, touchscreen infotainment with smartphone connectivity, and improved cabin space. The seats have been redesigned for better comfort and now include fabric or leatherette options. The Omni's versatility remains intact, making it a great choice for families and businesses alike. Engine and performance. Under the hood, Suzuki has equipped the Omni with a 1.2L fuel-efficient petrol engine, producing around 70 to 80 HP. There's also talk of a CNG variant for better mileage and eco-friendliness. The improved suspension and power steering make driving smoother, even on rough terrains. While it's not built for speed, the Omni continues to be a reliable workhorse. Safety and features. Safety has always been a concern with older models, but Suzuki has addressed this with the 2025 version. The van now features dual airbags, ABS with EBD, a reinforced body structure, and reverse parking sensors. These updates make it a much safer vehicle for both passengers and cargo transport. Pricing and verdict. The 2025 Maruti Omni is expected to start around 5 to 7 Indian rupees lakhs, depending on the variant. Whether you need it for your business, as a family vehicle, or even for customization, the Omni continues to be an unbeatable value proposition. So, what do you think of the new Suzuki Maruti Omni 2025? Would you buy one? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Review Hub for more awesome automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.